Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here, but let's go and get right into this. So they are by that brand right there. These are sold on Amazon, and I will link them down in the description box below. So you can see I already have one side done. So this is what it looks like before. This is after. I know it's a crazy difference. I love DIY lash clusters. That's just a close-up on what these lashes look like. It is like such a crazy difference. But let me go ahead and show you how I did this eye. So I'm going to start out with the glue. So I get the glue and I go right underneath the like base of my lashes. I don't brush it all the way through. I just try to keep it towards the base. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab my tweezers. You can use any tweezers that are like this. And I'm going to start with the 18 and then I'm going to work my way in. So I'm going to do 118. Last time I did like one of each and I really liked it a lot more than when I do like 218 and then 216. I like doing it this way more. I switch up all the time on what I do. So that's how easy they are to apply. I want to get that one towards the base a little more, just so that it doesn't have any gaps. So if you want to readjust it, you just pull it off. And that's what it looks like. So you're gluing them from underneath. So now I'm going to take a 16, which is the next size up, and I'm going to just glue it right beside that. So again, I like kind of look down. Just like that. And then I'm going the next one down, which is 14s. So that's 18, 16, 14. And then we're going to do a 12. And then the next one is a 10. You know what? I'm going to probably be able to fit two more. So I'm going to do two 12s. And then I'm going to do a 10. So this is another 12. And then I'm going to do a 10 now. And for this last one, because there's not a lot of glue right there, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to put it on the top side. Just like that. And then I'm just going to apply it like that. Then just go right through here. And place it just like that. And these look really pretty. And then I'm just going to take my tweezers and I'm going to go on the back side and just kind of clamp them down. And this is going to make sure that I get a good at least week. I can make them last up to 2 weeks if I'm taking care of them. Usually I want to take them off by then because I do wear makeup and it gets like eyeshadow on top of them. So I personally, like, I do sometimes wear them that way when I like wash them and stuff, but usually I'm just ready to switch them out and try something new. And that is what it looks like. So you can see that is before and that is after. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both lashes done. You see how pretty that is? It's so pretty. And like I said, if you like take good care of them, you can get them to last up to 2 weeks. I will link the glue that I use down in the description box below, along with these lashes right here. These are new to me. I've never used these before. But I love them so far. We'll see how long they last. Usually most lashes are pretty much the same. There are a few brands that I've tried that they kind of fall apart super easy, but these feel like they're going to be pretty like nice and durable. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.